Awning windows Meridian are a key component of window installation services in Meridian, Idaho, for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. Awning windows Meridian services offer a wide range of options, ensuring that every home can benefit from the perfect awning window installation. With a focus on quality and precision, Awning windows Meridian contractors provide top-notch awning window fittings that are both durable and stylish. Energy-efficient awning windows Meridian are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, making them a smart choice for homeowners in Meridian, Idaho, looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Awning windows Meridian specialists are well-versed in the latest energy-efficient technologies, ensuring that your awning window installation meets the highest standards. Custom Awning windows Meridian, Idaho offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. Awning windows Meridian professionals work closely with clients to create custom awning window solutions that enhance the overall look and feel of their homes. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional design, Awning windows Meridian providers have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Awning windows Meridian installation in Meridian is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Awning windows Meridian solutions include comprehensive installation services that address common issues such as leaks, drafts, and broken hardware. By choosing Awning windows Meridian specialists for your awning window installation needs, you can ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition for years to come. Meridian home windows are an integral part of any property, providing natural light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal. Awning windows Meridian, Idaho experts offer a variety of styles and designs to suit any home. From classic to contemporary, Awning windows Meridian enhancements can transform your living space, making it more inviting and comfortable. Awning windows Meridian upgrades in Meridian are a great way to improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. Awning windows Meridian, Idaho contractors offer a range of upgrade options, including energy-efficient glass, enhanced security features, and stylish hardware. By investing in Awning windows Meridian upgrades, homeowners in Meridian can enjoy increased comfort and value. Meridian, Idaho window replacement services are ideal for homeowners looking to update their windows with the latest designs and technologies. Awning windows Meridian replacements can significantly improve the energy efficiency and curb appeal of your home. Awning windows Meridian improvements are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client, ensuring a seamless and satisfying experience. Awning windows Meridian installation in Meridian, Idaho is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. Awning windows Meridian services offer a wide range of options, ensuring that every home can benefit from the perfect awning window solution. With a focus on energy-efficient awning windows Meridian, these installations not only improve the look of your home but also contribute to energy savings. Awning windows Meridian specialists are renowned for their expertise in awning window installation and maintenance. Whether you're dealing with a minor issue or require a complete overhaul, Awning Windows Meridian professionals provide top-notch solutions. Their skills ensure that your awning windows remain in optimal condition, offering long-lasting performance and reliability. Custom Awning Windows Meridian, Idaho are a popular choice for homeowners seeking unique designs that reflect their personal style. Awning Windows Meridian contractors work closely with clients to create bespoke awning window designs that complement the architecture of their homes. This personalized approach ensures that each installation is a perfect fit for the client's needs and preferences. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Meridian are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and lower energy bills. Awning Windows Meridian enhancements focus on incorporating the latest technologies and materials to maximize insulation and minimize heat loss. These energy-efficient solutions are a testament to the commitment of Awning Windows Meridian providers to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Meridian home windows are not just about functionality. They also offer a variety of awning window styles Meridian to suit different tastes. From traditional to contemporary designs, Awning Windows Meridian improvements cater to a diverse range of aesthetic preferences. Awning Windows Meridian styles in Meridian, Idaho are designed to enhance the overall look of your home while providing practical benefits. Awning Windows Meridian upgrades in Meridian are an excellent way to improve the value and comfort of your home. Awning Windows Meridian, Idaho contractors offer a range of upgrade options, from advanced locking mechanisms to enhanced weatherproofing features. These upgrades ensure that your awning windows provide maximum security and protection against the elements. Meridian, Idaho window replacement services are essential for homeowners looking to update their existing windows. Awning Windows Meridian, Idaho installation is a seamless process, thanks to the expertise of Awning Windows Meridian professionals. They handle every aspect of the installation, from removing old windows to fitting new, custom Awning Windows Meridian with precision and care.